Introducing the 2024 Citroen C4 C-Series PureTech 130 EU6.4 MY. This sleek blue hatchback is not only stylish, but also packed with top-of-the-line features for your comfort, convenience, and safety. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this vehicle has it all. Plus, with security features like collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. Rest assured, this car has been fully checked and serviced to manufacturer's specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us or visit Dooley Motors Carlow today to take a test drive.